What's going to be Celiac here, and I've got to give some shout outs again because I can't say thank you enough to a lot of you. Every one of you just by watching the video makes a big difference, and I'm hoping that these videos that I'm going to continue to try to make, but I want you to understand that it's sketchy out there, and I'm going to talk about that in a second. But let me give the shout outs. We got John P. We got Blaine E. We got Colin H. Q Alert, Benjamin G, and Robbie B. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. This means a lot to it's not for me. This money goes to, I hand it over to the wife, and this goes to paying our bills because right now, it's been a struggle because, they think that I can't carry firearms, and if you haven't watched the last video, that link will be in the description. Watch that video. They tried to put me under they thought I had an RPO, which is probably up here. Yeah, that's what makes me going out and doing the open carry stuff a little unsettling. But it's not going to deter me. I have that inkling, that little sitting there saying, Mike, you might go to jail, and I don't want to go to jail, and I'm allowed to have firearms. And the thing I can't talk about, that's what this is all around. But we're going to get through it. And I can't say thank you enough to everyone that does watch these videos, that has helped in the PayPal or Cash App. Links are in the description. But this has been a pretty long-winded intro. So don't forget, hit that like, hit that share, hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to get into this video, and I'll see you at the end. Celiac. Deuces.
He doesn't know my RPO or anything, does he?
Say that again?
He doesn't know my RPO or anything, does he?
Check it out. Run him. Dispatch know the name.
Yeah.
How's it going, bud?
Good, how you doing?
Oh, man, you set pretty out here. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, man.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What caliber you got?
I don't know. I don't answer questions.
Oh, it's just wondering about the gun. I said, what caliber? 223, 556?
Yeah, she's an employee. Reference to a female that became verbally aggressive for people driving past the parking lot.
Quarters too, right?
And here you are.
They're gonna. You already know they're gonna fall.
300 blackout, just to let you know.
Oh, all right.
You're just getting calls up.
I know.
And you know that's gonna happen.
I know, I get it. And I can't wait to get the 36 phone calls at it like I did last time. I'm only going to be out here for about an hour or so.
Do what you got to do.
Hey, as long as your dispatch keeps telling them, hey, what he's doing is lawful, hey, it's not going to matter. And I'm glad you came out here respectfully.
Yeah.
Hey, that's all that matters. So yeah. If you guys want to hang out, I'll go get you a Gatorade or something. Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Gatorade or something. We can hang out together. You want to go fishing? Let's go fishing. Hey, what was your name?
Delancey. Delancey.
Delancey?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man. This is the first time I ever saw you.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was just asking about your gun.
I've seen numerous of these officers.
Yeah.
But this is the first time I ever saw you.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah. And that's all I'm out here doing. Is just, if you don't like it, okay.
Yeah.
If people earn support, yeah, buddy. That's all I'm out here doing.
Yeah.
That's it.
Fine with us.
But you can kick rocks if you don't like how I talk.
Alright. Well, you guys have a great day.
You too.
I'm sorry you guys had to come out here, and I'm sorry you're going to get more phone calls, but it's not. I have to educate the public at this point. So it is what it is. I have no ill will.
I'm not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do. Flip out, man.
You guys know that. You've seen all my videos for the last 5-6 years. I have no ill, I follow the law. Whatever they say, this is what you can do, I will do it. So.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I see you, man. I see you.
I know you don't answer questions, but I got a real question. It ain't got nothing to do with you getting in trouble.
Sure.
Do you worry about maybe someone that may get PTSD or something, and you know somebody that may not be right and do something? Like honestly,
Yes.
I wonder about that.
And yes, everybody, it is a very big concern when I'm standing on a street and hundreds of cars, if not thousands of cars, are passing by. Yes.
I'm always worried, and I keep my head on a swivel.
Okay.
Because you know something, I don't know any one of
That's
these
what I'm
cars,
saying.
Any one of these cars could
Yeah.
just roll down their window.
Yeah.
And if I'm not paying attention,
Mm-hmm.
and the only way, if I see it before it's about to happen,
Yeah.
I got 2 guns, and the
Okay.
first thing I'm going to do is get behind
Yeah.
this.
Okay.
This or that
Yeah.
brick wall.
Okay.
In hopes that they don't hit me first.
Yep.
And I've got hard.
I ain't here. What you got? Who?
I don't wear it because it's going to create another hole.
Oh, I couldn't hear what you got.
I don't wear my body.
Oh, okay.
Because it would
Oh yeah.
create
Okay.
a different scenario. And
Uh-huh.
I just want to sit here and smile.
Okay. But no, that was just a real question I had for you. That's all.
I'm just a happy-go-lucky person that loves his Second Amendment rights.
Yeah.
That's why I come out.
764.
Yeah.
We live in the greatest country in the world, so.
America, fuck yeah! Freedom is the only way.
Hit me up at thearmedfisherman@gmail.com.
All right.
All right.
All right.
I'll bring you.
I like that. Later, man.
So I guess it's all good.
All right. And so, in a nutshell, that was the end of the interaction. And then, I'm not sure which deputy this is or which officer this is, but he ends up he calls back the reporting person. Whoever called, he calls him back, and then there's a conversation of it. So we're going to get into that now.
And then, so like I said, some of them are honest demonstrators. Some of them, elicit attention.
So which one am I? Do I elicit attention, or am I doing it in good faith? I'm like, you didn't kind of answer that question. You just said, blah. Leave your comment down below on what you think he meant by that.
And then, so like I said, some of them are honest demonstrators. Some of them, elicit attention. We've dealt with him before. He essentially just, kind of just sits out there and waves at people, just, to bring awareness to the Second Amendment.
Well, no fucking shit.
Right.
Okay.
To bear arms, right? So essentially, Florida passed a law that states that you can open carry now. And so he is allowed to do that. I mean, there are restrictions as far as, being on, like, in a county courthouse or like a school or something like that, right? But for just the general public, he's allowed to just go out and express his Second Amendment rights. Like, you can go into a Walmart, now open carrying, but if the Walmart says, oh, well, I don't want you to open carry in here, then he has to honor that, right? Because it's a private business. But out in the open,
so private
he can do
business
it.
can refrain.
Yes.
Okay,
but
private business can refuse it.
right. So it's a matter of in public spaces he's allowed to, again, with the exception of like schools, courthouses, a police department, well, not necessarily the police department, but more so just like with kids and stuff like that, right? So, but yeah, I mean, we've dealt with him before. He's not out here to cause any harm or anything like that. He's just kind of expressing his Second Amendment, and that's the world we live in now. So,
sure.
I mean, is there anything else that you would like to, or any other questions that you have?
No, that solves it for me. That makes sense, and I appreciate hearing the the
Yeah.
feedback and
And we
clarity of
myself
it,
and two other officers stepped out with him. Obviously, it's not our first interaction with him. He's always, you know, a pretty nice guy.
And thank you.
You know, he's just very passionate about his Second Amendment rights. So he expresses them,
Yeah.
and that's kind of what he does out there.
And he's absolutely 100% correct. This is my job. My job is to create content while open carrying or holding government accountability. That is my job. And right now, because of the shenanigans, it's making it very difficult. Because up here, you're probably seeing this. Almost anywhere I go, this is the first thing they say. He's like, doesn't he have a, you know, a something? And, you know, yeah. Every time. So that's why it's very nerve-wracking for me to go out. But let's finish up the video and I'll see you at the end.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep.
Well, and I didn't, you know, and that was my instinct when I was observing it. Like, this looks like it's more for, you know, kind of provoking the thought, you know, of, hey, I can legally do this. Does it make you uncomfortable? You know, if it does, why? Because it's legal.
Right.
That seemed the vibe. So that's
Right.
helpful to know, and helpful to know what, you know, what is good and, or what, like, what's allowed and what's
Yeah,
not.
and we understand it just because we do live in a very interesting world right now. So you just never know, and we
Yeah.
appreciate when the citizens, you know, call us because, I mean, you just
Right.
never know, right? But at the end of the day, you know, there's
Right.
not much we can do about
Yeah.
it. You know, we don't want to violate his,
Sure.
you know, rights. So, yeah, he's allowed to do that.
For sure.
That's
And
just kind of it.
do agree with that. I
Yeah.
totally agree with that.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I, you know, and I'm not someone who's super scared of guns. It's more just like, you know, people who you just don't know if it's a stable situation or not. You're
Right.
like,
No, we understand. And we take everything,
Yeah.
in law enforcement here, we take everything
So-
seriously until we know that it's, you know, everything's good. So we appreciate the call, the concern,
Yeah.
but,
Okay,
you know,
good.
we made contact with you and just want to let you know, and, you know, that kind of
awesome. Thank
get it
you.
from there. All right, you have a good day.
Cool. Thanks for following up. Appreciate
Yep, of course. All right, bye.
it. All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
All right. So, in a nutshell, I had to bring the little Spunchkin Wunchkin out here, the little bean sprout. And in a nutshell, I went back out, I think 2 days, yesterday or the day before. I've got more of that's going to be coming out later, but I've got a new video that's coming. Leave your comment down below about how you think how this went, okay? I love every one of you that have ever supported this channel, put money in the PayPal, Cash App, whatever it is. Those links are all in the description. But I'm going to let Little Bean Sprout here, Oceana, she's going to finish the video. All right, do it.
Make sure you hit the button, the like button, the share button, and the subscribe button. Zodiac deuces.
Soliaker, deuces.